Hello everyone, this is Mehek from Crafty Minds. Today we are going to work on slice of pizza. So let's get started. We are going to work on this and I have used a plain piece of paper, pencil colors and googly eyes for this. So let's see what all materials do we need for this art project. We are going to use a plain piece of paper, 2 googly eyes, pencil colors. I'm going to draw with Sharpie. You can use pencil too. Yeah, that's all we need. So let's start. So we are going to make one curve, like a round curve like this, and then make a diagonal line going all the way down. Then again from in here we are going to make another diagonal line going all the way down, and then just join these two. Then go all the way up, diagonal line, it's kind of a V, you can see, and then join these two together. Now make a curve over here like this and join these two with a straight line like this. So this is our base, like pizza. Now we are going to add toppings up there. So we can just add little curve, round, circle, and little veggies like a wiggly lines. And I'm gonna add 2 eyes over here and a smile, and then eyebrows with a wedgie like this. Then over here a little more veggies, circle, half circle, I think that's, and one more veggie. Here we go. So now we are done with our drawing. I'm going to add colors in it. So for that I'm using pencil color, and this is the yellow color. So just add yellow color in here and on side too. And then I'm going to take brown color and just put it on that yellow color. So that's our base. I'm gonna make it little light brownish color. Same over here. Going to add brown. A little dark on the top. That's it. And then I'm going to use my yellow color and just going to do over here. This. So you can also use crayons, markers, or even paints, watercolor, acrylic paints, whatever works best for you. See, I'm done with this. Now I'm going to add green color on veggies like this over here. And then I'll make this one green. Going to add red color. This one, just have one, that's it. And I'm gonna add purple these eyebrows. Orange color for all circles. And now, okay, we can add red color over here in there too. See, I'm going to add googly eyes. Okay, so if you don't want to add eyes, that's fine. You can just leave it and color this as a topping. Here we go. So we are done with our pizza. It's a slice of pizza. Hope you enjoyed working on a slice of pizza. If you like the video, make sure to thumbs up and follow us on Facebook. Thank you.